Hi, my name is Gan-Baruch, Technical Marketing Manager at GitLab. I'm frequently asked if it's possible to integrate between Azure DevOps repos and GitLab CI/CD. So the answer for that is yes, it's possible. In this video, I will walk you through that. The integration enables you to keep using Azure DevOps repos to manage your code and use GitLab CI/CD to build, test, and deploy your application. This is my repository in Azure DevOps. Now, I will clone it to GitLab. So I'm clicking here, and this is the clone URL. I just click here to copy it to my clipboard. And if this repository was private, I could generate credentials, username and password that I can use. This is GitLab, and I will create a new project. I'm selecting the CI/CD for external repo and the repo by URL, and I can paste the URL, and the username and password are optionals. In my case, my repository is public, so I don't need to use username and password. I will give it a name, and I will set visibility level to public. Create project. Now it's mirrored the project from Azure DevOps to GitLab. It's going very fast, and if you notice this link mirrored from Azure DevOps, that means that now any branch, commit, and tags that I push to Azure DevOps will be automatically mirrored via pull command to GitLab. The next step, I will set up CI/CD in GitLab. So any push to Azure DevOps will trigger CI/CD pipeline in GitLab. So there are two ways to make it. One way is the easiest one. I will go to CI/CD settings, and I will enable the auto DevOps. One checkbox, save changes. My GitLab CI/CD is now enabled. For each commit that I will push to Azure DevOps repos, GitLab CI/CD pipeline will be triggered. Auto DevOps configure your CI/CD based on out-of-the-box pre-configured CI/CD templates. In some cases, you will want to use your customized CI/CD settings. What you need is to create a file in the repository. The name of the file is .gitlab-ci YAML. This is the GitLab CI/CD configuration file based on YAML. And this is how it looks like. It has all of the stages. You can include also YAML templates. And here are all of the jobs that we want to run. So because I have it in the root directory of this repository, I'm all set, and now I can just start the development. So I will show you a quick example. I will open Visual Studio Code, and this is my source code. I will start with create a new branch. Branch 5. Now I will make a change. I will just add here a message powered by GitLab. I will save this change and commit it. Add the text. This is my commit message, and I will push it to the server. Now I will go back to my server, and I can see this commit. I should see it immediately. Branch number 5, and this is what I added. So this change now should be reflected in GitLab. So I'm going to GitLab window, and I will go to the branches, and I will look for the branch, and I see it's not there yet. I can always manually sync it. So I will go to the repository settings and mirror repository. If I go down, you see it's automatically created for me this pool, and I will just click the update now. And if I go back, you see it's automatically created for me this pool, and I will just click the update now. And if I go back, you see it's automatically created for me this pool, and I will just click the update now. And if I go back, you see it's automatically created for me this pool, and I will just click the update now. And if I go back, you see it's automatically created for me this pool, and I will just click the update now. And if I go back, to my commits. I can see now branch number 5 and the text, and I see this icon means the pipeline is running. I can open the pipeline from here, or I can go open it from here, and this represent my pipeline graph as I defined in my GitLab CI/CD YAML. I have a few stages: build, test, review, dast, performance, and cleanup. The build succeed, and now if I open the container registry, I can see a new folder for my branch. I can click on it, and I see the images that it created for my source code. I go back to the pipeline, and I see that it started at the test stage, and it will run a few tests: security scans, license scanning. From here you can access each job and see what's happening. And on the right side you can see details about the job. You can cancel job, you can retry job. If a job failed, you don't have to restart the entire pipeline. You can just fix something and restart a specific job. Jobs view presents all of the jobs in a list view instead of the graph. And in this view, you can see some more details about each job. If tests are defined in this CI/CD pipeline, you will see the test status here in this view. The security tab lists all of the vulnerabilities that the scans found. So once the pipeline is finished and you are satisfied with the test results, you can go back to your code and create a pull request. And you ask to merge branch 5 into master, and I will create this pull request starting the review process. If reviewers are defined, they can add their comments here, and once it is approved, we can complete this pull request and merge the code to master. Complete merge. Once it is merged, this will trigger additional pipeline in GitLab. The new pipeline will run now on the master branch. I will open the pipelines, and soon we will see a new pipeline starting, and the pipeline will be different because this pipeline will be not only continuous integration pipeline, it will be CI/CD pipeline. So here the pipeline is just started. This concludes the demo. Thanks for watching. To keep up to date, check out more videos on our YouTube channel.